Hello everybody, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries lurking within the realm of cryptocurrencies. I'm Steven, your guide into this journey, and just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. In today's video, we will talk about a project that's called Poolover.ai. But before we dive into today's crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not intended as financial and investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. Don't forget to put like and also comment in this video, and see you after this intro. So the project of today, as we said, it's Poolover, the pre-launch. Poolover is rewriting the ODDs with its never-before-seen decentralized lottery concept that you can connect your wallet and play the game. So decentralization, Tron network, smart chain. Poolover's decentralized nature on power participation with transparency, security and autonomy. Transactions are visible on the blockchain, minimizing fraud risk, while users retain full control of funds. Eliminating any intermediate. This fosters global access, equity, and resistance to censorship. It's a trustless system, and Poolover ensures fairness, inclusivity, and efficiency, making it groundbreaking. So this platform is for infinity gain. You can join the platform, as they said, for financial paradise. So here how the Poolover works. First, you must connect your Tron wallet, buy the membership, participate in the lottery, and share with others. You can check this video to see the project.
Welcome to the most
visually.
revolutionary innovation.
So this is the advantage of smart contract. Operating on blockchain ensure visibility and verification of transaction, minimizing fraud risks, and users control their funds independently, free from for intermediary, fostering global access and financial equity. Firstly, the security. And the second one is that there is no intermediary between you and the transaction, real-time execution, and transparency, because this project creates an environment of trust as the logic and information in the contract is visible to all participants in the blockchain network. The project is based in the Tron smart chain. So Poolover membership, the basic one is for 300 USD and the sponsor bonus for 40 USD, and the premium one for 1060 USD with 10% as sponsor bonus. And how distribution of membership? Firstly, as I said, the basic one for 3 USDT, pool ticket for 50 USDT, sponsor bonus for 40 USDT, system admin for 40 USDT, and preliminary matrix for 170 USDT. You can connect your wallet from here. For the second one, premium one for 1600 USDT, pool ticket for 200 USDT, the bonus for 160 USDT, system admin for 200 USDT, Infinity Matrix for 360 USDT, and finally the VIP Matrix for 680 USDT, and also you can connect your wallet from here. So the basic preliminary 170, to complete the first cycle necessary to fill preliminary 170 with 2 participants in your first level and 4 in your second. So this is the schema of how it works, and you must to get activated with follow me and spill over technology directly toward the cycle of organization. Infinity 360. After closing preliminary 170, you'll get access to Infinity 360, which you will need to fill with the 2 participants on your first level and 4 in the second completed. Preliminary 170 with 2 participants in your first level and 4 in your second. So this is how it works. Premium, to complete the premium cycle, same as the basic cycle, it's necessary to fill the first level with 2 participants and with 4 second. The difference here that you will need or fill both Infinity 360 and VIP 6080 in the same time. Now let's see the pool lottery. The participants will receive a ticket which occupy a position of the random pool draw contract lottery pool, to which contribute with this membership for 300 USDT and 50 USDT. And this is how it works, as you see. And you can see here also the frequently asked question for the project. What is the Poolover? What is USDT stablecoin? What is the smart contracts? And what is their advantage? How can I register in the Poolover platform or Powerlet platform? Can I lose a partner whom I have personally invited? No, it's not possible as they said, and you can check all that by visiting the website, the official website. Poolover, decentralized blockchain platform for perpetual transparent wealth generation and autonomy. The system resistance to censorship safeguard participants' interests, making it robust platform for generating perpetual gains. Poolover presents a paradigm shift in finance, where fairness, efficiency, and improvement converge to redefine wealth creation. They said, why not join them to this journey of revolution? So this is it, our project of today. You can check also the business plan from A to Z by clicking here and see the PDF. There is some points that they talk here but not in the same or in the official website. So as always, if there is any question, I will be here to assist you. Just leave your comment and don't forget also your like, and thank you very much for your watching.